Why do 90% of nature lovers adore polar bears? Let's uncover the secret behind their amazing intelligence. Polar bears aren't just cute and fluffy, they're incredibly smart. They use chunks of ice as tools to hunt seals. Talk about resourceful. These majestic creatures can also remember locations for years. Imagine having a mental map of the Arctic, but that's not all. Polar bears have excellent problem-solving skills too. They figure out how to get food by watching and learning from each other, kind of like how we learn from YouTube videos. And here's a fun fact, they can even swim for days without stopping. Now that's some serious endurance, so next time you think about polar bears, remember, they're not just surviving in the Arctic, they're thriving with their incredible brains. Stay wild, nature lovers.